Hi, I'm Bean, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a quick little tutorial, I guess, look video on this little eye look that I did based off of Baekhyun's makeup from the new EXO CBX music video. Yeah, I thought it was super cute. I really like the purple underneath the eyes and then that like lavender highlight that he has like way over here for some reason. Did anyone else notice that? Anyway, make sure you keep watching. We're done. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching this little look inspired by Baekhyun's makeup from the CBX. Why am I like from the EXO CBX new music video Blooming Day? Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Make sure you like my video, it'll make me really happy, and I will see you next time.